Very good evening. Welcome to the presentation ceremony of this match in the Dutch Bangla Bank Bangladesh Premier League, powered by Rocket and co-sponsor Nexus Pay. We've had a very one-sided match in this between the Fortune Borishal and the Dhaka Capitals, and eventually Fortune Borishal winning by an emphatic margin of 9 wickets. And congratulations to them. Well, bad luck for the Dhaka Capitals. I'd like to introduce you to our presentation party here tonight. Mr. Mohammad Abdullah Al Mamoon, Deputy Managing Director, Dutch Bangla Bank, is here. Next to him, Mr. Fahim Sinha, Director, BCB and Chairman of the Finance and Accounts of BCB. Alongside him, Mr. Mizanur Rahman, Chairman of Fortune Borishal. Next to him, Mr. Islam Gure, sponsor of the Dhaka Capitals. Alongside him, Mohammad Rabiul, who is a courageous student who was injured during the historic July-August movement for Bangladesh, and as part of the BCB's tribute, we recognize his sacrifice and unwavering spirit. Well, straight away, now I'd like to announce the Dutch Bangla Bank Player of the Match. And for his wonderful performance with the ball, it goes to Tanveer Islam. 3 wickets just for the 2 runs, but Tanveer is injured at the moment. I'll ask Tamim Iqbal to receive that award on Tanveer's behalf. Hope he recovers quickly. Tanveer Islam is, of course, the man of the match, and good performance all around. Very emphatic. I mean, couldn't be better when you're really coming to the business end.
Oh yes, this game was really important for us because we had 2 games in our hand and we needed to win one to make sure that we are finishing at 1 or 2. So that's one of the biggest reasons that we didn't want to change the team today. We played our full strength, and the way bowlers bowled was unbelievable.
Unbelievable indeed. 3 wickets shared. We're talking about Tanveer. First of all, why isn't he here?
No, he got hurt in the last ball of the innings in our innings, and then he's not able to walk now. So I hope, I'm a bit worried, but I hope that he should be okay for the qualifiers at least.
And your other bowlers did it for you alongside Tanveer. Very emphatic. I mean, when you guys batted, it looked to be on a different track altogether.
I thought what the message we got from the bowlers, actually the ball wasn't doing that much, even in the first innings. I thought we were lucky in some cases and bowled really well. It didn't spin in the first innings either. So if you see 2 shots from Litton, you could have made an idea that it was a good wicket.
Yes, indeed, with a strong batting lineup that they were faltering. But once you came in, it seemed to have eased off. I mean, you guys went on your merry way, didn't really look back, both of you, when you got going.
Oh yeah, definitely, because Malan was going great guns. At the beginning, Rohit hit some beautiful shots. I didn't need to do too much. I just need to hang out.
Done enough.
Yeah.
Done enough for the team, leading it from the front and going into this very serious times. I mean, the playoffs coming up again. So all in all, I think you'd feel that you're completely prepared to face the task ahead.
Oh yeah, definitely. I thought we have done everything possible to reach the first and second position. It's now the serious time. You have to be really good on the day. It really doesn't matter what you have done throughout the series, throughout the tournament. So we still have a game to go against Chittagong, and after that we'll start planning for the playoffs.
Well done today. Go well, Tamim.
Thank you, Misham Bhai.
Thank you very much, Tamim Iqbal, the skipper there, and that is all from the presentation.
বাংলাদেশ প্রিমিয়ার লিগ 2025 7টি দলের জমজমাট লড়াইয়ের মাধ্যমে পুরো দেশ দেখতে চোখ রাখুন টি স্পোর্টস নেটওয়ার্কে।
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Download T Sports app to enjoy exciting games and highlights. Visit tsports.com.